All right, it's now a good morning, mga katambay. See, it's already 5:33. The market is closed. Welcome back sa ating channel. So today we are going to discuss about Forex Factory. It's all about fundamentals. This is the website that I use to trade news. Okay, so I'm looking only for US dollar, no? Because I am trading gold versus US dollar. So for those who are not familiar with forexfactory.com, just type to your browser this one. As you can see here, forexfactory.com, and then you are going to this like funnel here at the top right corner. Just click that one so that you can choose or you can have your filters. If you are only trading with a USD base like this one, or if you are using NZD, New Zealand, JPY, GBP, and then you just, if the the defaults here will be like this will be in all blues, right? So this will be, if you are going to open in the first time you open this Forex Factory, then it will look like this. So if you are only trading with a base currency USD, just uncheck these uh, small boxes, then just retain that one USD, and then uncheck also this one. You only need these two, this high impact and this medium impact. Okay, then just click this one, apply filter. Okay, so there will be news tonight at 8:30 here, Philippine time. Okay, we have the core PCE, Chicago PMI, and revised consumer sentiment. So how are we going to use this data? Okay, so you have, as you can see here, there is the exact time. Okay, 8:30. We have also the 9:45 and 10 p.m. So as you can see here in this table, you have seen the previous one, the result of the previous, and this forecast is very important to the actual ones. So how are you going to make a decision to your trading with regards to fundamentals or news that will affect your trading positions? You can also wait for the news to arrive. As you can see, this will uh, be shown here. The result will be shown here. Actually, the countdown will be starting in 7 minutes. You will see the countdown here. As long as 8:30 comes, there will be a countdown here. And then, how are we going to trade that news? If you are not yet in a position, if you are not really sure for your position before the news comes, okay? So just click this folder, and in this usual effect tab, you can see actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Meaning, if the forecast is 0.2% and the actual will be 0.5 or 1%, that will be good for the currency. Meaning, the currency is US dollar. Okay? So the US dollar will be strengthened by the news. So if for example, if you are trading gold versus US dollar, the US dollar will be strengthened by this news if it is a positive actual result. Meaning the dollar will shoot up and gold will go down. However, if the actual will be lesser than the forecast, it means that the dollar weakens. The dollar will go down, and of course, the gold will go up. That's how I trade news. That's how I open my position. Sometimes I just waited for the result before I enter the market or I enter any position. But if you can see that the technical ones is very strong, then you can make a position before the news comes, and that is very risky. You use your risk management about that. So if you open this folder, you can see here there is the history. This was made in August 31. Okay, August 31. So we are going to the trading view. We are going to trading view so that we can see what is the effect of this news, because it all there is no difference. Okay, so we will check this one. So as you can see here, we are in trading view. I use Forex market session so that I know what time zone I am trading. Okay, so you have seen the color brown. This brown is the US session, and this green is the Europe one, and this is Japan. The yellow and the orange is Australia. So these both two sessions are Asian sessions. So we are in gold and versus US dollar, 30 minutes time frame. Okay? So May, we will check first on May 26. It is a very positive result for US dollar because it gained up 0.4% from the forecast of 0.3%. So we will try to look this one in trading view, May 26. Okay, let's go back to May 26. This is how we can review the effect of the news backwards. So May 26, we're still in September. So we will try to make this time frame into 1 hour so that it will be easy for us to locate the date. So we are still in August. July, May 26. Remember, May 26. So we are on May 23, 26. Okay. We are here. There. Okay, May 26, this one. So May 26, the result of the news is favored US dollar. So meaning, as you can see here, this is US session. This is color brown. So the US dollar is strengthened and the gold went down. See? You see these white candles? Those are the bearish candles. So it went down because the dollar strengthened. So how are we going to... This is also a tip for you traders who are not yet informed about how are we going to measure the pips that the news created. How many pips it can move. Okay, so we are going to use this one measuring tool, pip measuring tool. So we started here and then just drag down to the bottom. Okay, so it went down to 151 pips with that core PCE price index. Okay, So it went down to 151 pips. See this one. Okay, that is how are we going to measure the movement of the pips during the news. Okay? So let's move on to August 31. They are equally uh the result is equal to the forecast that and to the actual. The actual is 0.2% and the forecast is 0.02%. And also the previous was 0.2%. So how is that? How are how are these news will affect the market if they are the same? Okay, so we are going down to August 31. We are going to move up. August 31. So we are just referring to US session here, the color brown. August 31. So in here, August 31, here. So the technical prevailed. Okay, because from this momentum, August 30, then it moves moved sideward and then it went up when the news comes. Because meaning if they are the same result from the last ones, they are still a good for the currency, the US dollar. So how many pips it went up? Starting here to there. So it moved to 95 pips, 49%. Okay? So almost 100 pips, that one. So this is only a simple one on how to measure the pips of the effect of the news. Okay? So as you can see here in trading view, you can explore for those who are not yet familiar with trading view and Forex factory. But there are also news that are not even a high impact one is the technicals will also prevail. It depends. But usually uh, the news is also a very a tactical one. So better to make use of your risk management. It depends on the uh, capital or your funds, how big it is. Okay. So we are here now. So let's go back to 30 minutes. Okay, so that's only the simple lecture, simple tutorial about forexfactory.com if you want to trade the news. That's simple. If meaning if the result is greater, mostly the news which has a great impact to the dollar, meaning the result will be if the result is greater than the forecast, meaning it will have a good impact to the dollar. Unless if we are talking about unemployment claims, so of course that's negative. It should be lesser than the forecast. That will give a positive result for the dollar. So if, for example, if the unemployment claims is lower than the forecast, meaning the the gold will go down. Gold will make a bearish move. Okay. And one thing more, Okay, let's go back to Forex Factory. One thing more here. If there are in one time, let's say on October to Monday, there are two news, which is the PMI, manufacturing, and prices. And also in Friday, there are three news at exactly 8:30 in only one time. So meaning that will if they have a different results, that will make the movement of the market so very fast and fluctuating. So you should remove your emotion when you are trading news, most especially when the results are different because they move in a seesaw position, up and down. So if you are not sure about your position, then better not to trade with the news. Then wait for it to calm before you make your entry. Okay. For me, I'm not trading news if there are different results about the news because it moves so fast and it will make a seesaw direction. It will go up and it will go down. So you better stay away from trading when they have different results. So one thing more, if you are using trading view, if you are using trading view, you can also set your drawing materials here down. Then you can just for those who are not yet familiar with trading view, you can select for your shortcuts of your drawing material or drawing icon here. Just click the stars and it will bring to the chart for easily uh, locating the lines, the Fibonacci, the text, and all of that, and all of the sort that you are going to use in your chart. But if you are only in a basic plan, you can only use three. Do you call this three or five free chart tools? If you are only using the like me, I'm only using the free, the basic plan. So this is only my video for now. Thank you so much. If you can get some lessons with your trades with regards to Forex Factory and Trading View and how to measure the pips of the news and sort of that. You can ask questions from the comments section if you have some questions about that you cannot understand about Forex Factory and Trading View, and I can make it up to you to make a video if I can make it, if for sure that I am knowledgeable about that, then I will make again another video so that we can share the world of trading, right? Okay, thank you so much for those who are fun with trading skills and trading videos like this. Please subscribe and smack that like button, and please share also if you have friends who would like this video. Thank you so much, and God bless. Happy earnings.